U dekot ke kenhun menteri uba apo Lyngdoh hine ke sgi ula ong bakas Shongsuk Shongsain ha ke jela kalong ke Shngain. Kini ke jengken thok kelawan na uba apo Lyngdoh hadien ke jeng kelumar hinin ke sgi hanong ba shelong habaki pulit ke lahaban pendon kamban siat dakal air pensat kemat ban bom de kilati ban penprai ke dekot jong keseng hitu. Uba apol ula kedau bakindon kat tu kat ni ke jeng kelumar ke jela. Bat ka juk ke por ba pol ula ai jeng mun ba ka wei ke election bat ka wei ke jeng tap vote le si kamla ban long ke bapha na ka benta kari kham tam hari India ba yak le jaj ban riu bat kum taw la ong ba dei ban burom ya ka jeng pher hakari.
On order situation is satisfactory. Overall, we have had not many major disruptions, but of course there will always be isolated incidents. I would only urge upon all concerned to always feel free that if you have any grievances, come to the negotiating table. That will help resolve a lot of issues. I do feel that in the context of a very diverse country like India, for instance, country that is so diverse that in fact we need more than one time zone. So how can you talk in terms of one nation, one election?